So I know that we just bought this 89 K2500 to use as our tow rig, but I came across a deal that was just too good to pass up, and I don't think you guys would blame me for doing what I did. So instead of talking about all the different blah blah blah, let's just go ahead and get into it. Here's our new rig. Now this is Rooster. It's a 1978 C30 454 crew cab, long bed, dually, absolute freaking unit of a truck. Yes, it has problems. Yes, it has rust, and yes, it's pretty freaking dirty. But she's still a pretty freaking decent buy. I can't complain. I've always wanted a crew cab, dually, not to mention a square body. I mean, these aren't exactly all over the place. They're pretty freaking desirable. Like I said, she's got rust here and there, but that's okay. That's what it's all about. That's what we're about. We gotta fix things sometimes to make it better. And yes, I know there's no the dually tire right here, but that's all right. He's gonna get it for me here soon. Yes, we did back into the porch railing right there, but that's all right. But look how freaking cool this thing is. Again, I know it's rough, but that's all right. Here's the transmission that we're gonna be putting in the truck. Now the reason we gotta put that in there is because the original transmission that is in this blew a seal on the torque converter, and we're pretty sure the transmission's fine, so we're actually just gonna put the torque converter in, and if there's a problem, then we're just gonna go ahead and take it out. It's not that huge of a deal. And there's just not more rust under this thing than what you'd imagine on your regular square body. Yes, the hood is bent. It has problems, but what do you expect from a truck that's almost 40 some odd years old? This thing is pretty freaking decent for the trade that I made. Look at this. I mean, can't hate too much. It's a 454. I mean, what more do you want? Now the door's not exactly the easiest thing to shut. It takes like 5 or 6 to 20 times to shut. There it is. Let's go ahead and open the hood here, which also requires 2 hands because the hood is so freaking big. Oh, there we go. Old big block 454 with a Holly on it. I'm pretty sure it's a 750 is what he said. I can't really remember. This thing runs mint. It has a race cam in it. This thing revs like a literal freaking stock car. It's awesome. And I mean, it needs some wiring help. You know, the wiring's kind of all wanky, funky dory, but that's all right. Like I said, it's a project truck. I mean, she's pretty. She's a good girl. Just needs a little bit of help here and there, but ain't a big deal. Big girls need loving too. Oh my God. So this isn't gonna be a super long video, mostly because it's raining outside right now, and I don't want to stand out in the rain. But I just really wanted to show you guys the new truck, because I know our last video wasn't like the best video we've ever made, but I wanted to get everyone hyped on our new project vehicle. I know we was hyped about that one, and we were really getting into it, but this one I'm pretty sure is gonna stay. I mean, look at this thing, it's great. And we're not gonna do a full restoration on it. We're just gonna fix the rust where it needs to be fixed, and make the thing run and drive and just freaking use it, because that's what this thing is made to do. It's made to be used and driven and just freaking abused. Not in a bad way. I don't want to break this thing. It's pretty nice to me. So this is really our first square body in the channel. I know a lot of people are saying that they love square bodies and they love to see a square body on the channel. Well, I happen to got one, and I love it. I'm so excited to really get this project going. I never really sat back here. I wonder how much room there is back here. Well, it's not that bad actually. It's pretty decent. Got all kinds of room, and someone put in like a early 2000s center roof thingamajig out of a Chevy, and then I mean this needs to be glued back up or something, or taken out. I'm not really sure what I want to do yet. Oh yeah, it's entirely falling down. I wonder if this works. I never even looked at that. That worked. Oh, sick, dude. Always wanted a sliding rear window. They're just so nice to have. They're awesome. Heck yeah, dude. On a freaking road trip with your boys, hauling things. This is just freaking unit right here. I love it. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the engravings and stuff. It's so Western. It's freaking awesome. The steps are cool. Got lights in them and everything. Got the old wing windows and they still work. The old tow mirrors, which are awesome. Freaking love these tow mirrors. I need to get a new door because look at this, it's ripped right there. Like it's literally torn there and there. Which good thing is these doors are cheap, but look at this. Some cheap freaking metal by GM in the late 70s. But this is the Silverado. This is the top of the line trim package. This is the good trim package that you really want. The wheels, we're not gonna do anything special. We're not gonna get the fancy wheels. We're just gonna paint these white because I love that old style look. Once we get the other dual, we're also gonna paint that white as well. It's got the dual tanks on her. I'm not sure if they both work, but that'd be cool if they did. And see, it's got that square body buckle. The thing is, see where it usually bends in the square bodies, this one's actually ripped, which they do on a lot of the square bodies. And it's popped up back here. But hey man, that's what it's all about. You gotta fix them up, make them look pretty. It's got the awesome Lund old man thing over the roof, which everybody freaking loves. If you don't love it, you're lying. But this thing is just too cool. I mean, it's a great buy. I don't know why anyone wouldn't want to get it. Guys, that is it for this video. The only reason it's not gonna be any longer is because this weekend we're gonna start doing the transmission swap and get this thing actually driving, get the dualies on it and everything. I know this video isn't very super long, but I just really wanted to get this video out there so you guys can see our new truck because this thing is awesome. And I think you guys are going to absolutely love it as much as us. These trucks are hot right now, especially the crew cab dualies, really due to like roadkill and guys like that because they made these trucks huge. Finnegan is a huge lover of these trucks. He has several of them, and I can't be happier to have one in my family now. Thank you guys. Share this with your friends. Let them all know about our new truck. Let them see the love. There we go. Let them show them the truck. Hopefully they'll love it too, and maybe we'll get this show really up off the ground with this truck. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. And by the way, to the winners of the hats, they are coming. We're just trying to figure out shipping and everything with this coronavirus, because right now the Postmaster General, whatever he's called, has turned the postal service into a quota type thing. So like if you finish your work of the day, they're going to stop working. So that means not all the mail is going to get shipped out when it's supposed to. So we're trying to figure everything out, figure out, postage and all that good stuff. But they are going to come. Just give us a little bit of time. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Y'all take it easy and have a good night.